Hello student, my name is Omkar Tyagi. Today I will discuss Rishikul Vidyapeeth online classes. The topic is Partnership Fundamentals, Chapter 2, Module 2. So I will discuss one by one what is partnership deed first. What is partnership deed? You know, in earlier module, the partnership come into the existence with the help of agreement, and the agreement which have the term and condition, and they are written in paper, that called partnership deed. The partnership deed may be a written or a oral. It is not compulsory it is written, but it is best if it is written. It is known as a articles of partnership. It is another name of the partnership deed. That is the articles of partnership deed. The term and condition, terms and conditions. All term and conditions we record and we explain in the partnership deed. It is best if it is written, or it is, you can say, if registered it is good. The partnership deed contains all term and condition which all partners are agree. So this is the meaning, and it is the agreement among the partners, or you can say articles of partner, and any dispute in future, if any misunderstanding, if any confusion, we can clear with the help of partnership deed. So I discuss one by one. That is a partnership. That is a partnership. A, B, C are partner. The term and condition which they keep in mind, they write, and they just, you can say, mention in partnership deed. I discuss some examples that are contents of partnership deed. First content is addresses of partnership. Address of partnership firm, or you can say business. Second, addresses of partners, name of partners. These are the simple terms and conditions. You can say next one is that is capital invested by partners. Capital invested by partners. Next one is bank account. What is a bank account of the partners? 6 is profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. Next one is interest on capital. If any partner, if all partners they invest the money and they charge the interest from the business, that is interest on capital. Interest on drawing. You know interest on drawing? Interest on drawing. If the partner invest the money, that called capital. If partner withdraw for personal use for the time being, that called drawings. And how much interest will be charged from the partner by the business, that called interest on drawing. So there are so many rule and regulations, term and conditions they decide, that called contents of partnership. Beside these, I can explain, for example, auditor of a partner, partnership firm, rule of Garner versus Murray. It is also a content. What is the rule of admission of a partner? What is the rule of a retirement of a partner? What is the rule of a settlement of accounts? What is the period of partnership? What is the basis of accounts, accrual basis or cash basis? How they calculate the goodwill? Okay, if any dispute, what they adopt, the things. So you can say all term and condition, rule and regulation they mention in it. It is given, you can read from the book or PDF. It is your chapter given 20-21 points. It may be more or less because they decide themselves. So these are the content of partnership deed. So what is the importance of partnership deed? What is the importance? Why we prepare the partnership deed or article of partnership? What is the need? In future, there may be any dispute among the partner, misunderstanding among the partners. There is a fighting among the partners. So how they solve? With the help of partnership deed, term and conditions, we can solve it. For example, if partnership deed we mention the profit sharing ratio 1:1:1, equal partner ABC 1:1:1, but A introduce 5 lakh, B introduce 3 lakh, C introduce 2 lakh. Capital is different but profit is same. So if it is written in the partnership deed, it is, you can say, approved, and it will be divided unequally. If it is written in the capital ratio, then we adopt the capital ratio. So all dispute we can solve out, or you can say settled with the help of partnership deed. It is the importance. And it is, if any misunderstanding, any confusion, we can solve with the help of partnership deed. Or you can say it is the legal document also. Sometimes we have to produce this deed into the court also. It is the important thing. So when we frame up a partnership business, we have to prepare a partnership deed, article of partnership. It is important document. Without this deed, the bank can't open the account. So it is necessary. So this is the partnership deed, importance of partnership deed and content of partnership deed. I discuss these points here. Partnership deed. Now I come to the next point. In the absence of partnership deed, which rule will be applicable? Rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. For example, this is a partnership firm, ABC, 3 partners are there, and they don't prepare the partnership deed. What happen? How they run the business? Some rules are given by the Act, Indian Partnership Act 1932. These rules are: first, that is, profit sharing ratio will be equal. Sharing of profit or loss will be equal. Equal means 1:1:1. If they introduce the capital in different way, for example 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 3 lakh, but they don't prepare the partnership deed, the profit will be divided only and only equally, not capital ratio, because they don't prepare the partnership deed. So first rule is profit will be shared equally. Second one is interest on capital. If any partner provide the loan to the business in addition to the capital, so any loan, first interest on capital, then interest on loan. Both are different point. Interest on loan. If A provide the capital, so if they don't prepare any partnership deed, no interest will be given on the interest on capital. Okay. If there is a provision only from profit, they can provide the interest on capital. But interest on loan, that is 6% per annum. If Mr. A provide the loan to the business in addition to capital, in that case that called loan. So the business pay the 6% per annum on interest on as a interest on loan to Mr. A. He is the partner. So if any partner provide a loan, he can recover the 6% per annum as a interest on loan. If they have the deed and they mention in the deed that is 12% or that is 15%, so that will be applicable. But in the absence of partnership deed, only 6% will be provided. Next one is Mr. A withdraw from the business, that is drawing. So no interest will be charged by the business on interest on drawing. Mr. A is a working partner and he charge the salary, but in the absence of partnership deed, A cannot charge the salary from the business and A have to do without salary work in the business. So profit sharing will be equal. Second one, no interest on capital. Third, no interest on drawing. 4, no salary will be given. Salary will be given to partner. Fifth, interest loan, that is 6% per annum. Interest on loan. 5 points are discussed. Again I repeat it. Profit will be divided equally. No interest on capital given to the partner. No interest on drawing charge from partner. No salary given to partner. Or interest on loan, that will be the 6% per annum. Next one is that is admission of a partner. If there is no partnership deed in the business, or you can say absence of partnership, anybody want to come into the partnership, you can say when all partners are agree, then any member can come into the partnership. If any person disallow it, he can't come into the partnership. When all partners are agree freely, then any new partner come into the business. Next one, that is 7.6, that is admission, regarding admission. 7, that is every partner can participate in the business and they can, you can say, give the consultancy or they conduct the business. We earlier module we studied in the rights of a partner, here also. Then next one also, that is every partner can inspect the books of accounts, and you can say everybody can inspect the books of accounts and they can you can say have a copy of accounts, and it is the right of a partner. And last I want to conclude, this is the, you can say, rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. Better if we prepare it. If we don't prepare it, we have to follow these rules. I think you like it. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.